All right. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. All right. So today we're going to build another free website for a Panamanian business. Doesn't always have to be Panamanian business, but that's just kind of the niche I'm in right now since, I live in Panama. And there's a lot of businesses that don't have websites. My name is Devin. You can call me Devo. Um, and today I'm going to basically do the same thing I did for the last video I made where I made this video right here, or this website down here. Um, and yep, basically I'm gonna try not to say all day as well. I'm going to make the website from scratch, using Lovable. And I'm gonna show you guys the exact process of how I take basically information. This is, yep, the last video I made was information like if they send you stuff so that you can use that stuff to make the video. This is if you want to make, videos, or should I say, want to make websites for clients before they even say yes, right? If you want to make some stuff to send to them, this is the method I use, to do so. Okay. So you're going to see the whole process. I'm going to go find one. I'm going to get the stuff that I need from them. I'm going to make the website, and then I'm going to present the website to them. Okay. If you like the video, if you like what I show, and actually I'm gonna go over everything step by step as well. So if you think you'll enjoy that, hit the thumbs up, okay? Like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get to it. And I'm on the porch right now. This damn badass bed is running around being a nuisance. All right, let's get to it. So first things first. All right. So what you do is you can head to a different social media. I like to use, I guess I'm saying, I like to use Facebook and Instagram. Panamanians love to use Instagram. So Instagram's actually a really good place to start. The only thing about Instagram that I don't like to, while using it for this is you can't really, screenshot the pictures and stuff like that. And for putting stuff on the websites, it's almost imperative, unless you want to use 3D or AI images, you have to be able to screenshot what they already have, right? So since it's kind of hard to do that with the way they do things, I'm going to go on Facebook here, and you would typically go to like the groups or something like that, or whatever whatever niche you're in, to try and find, somebody to make a website for. You can either make a website for a place who has a terrible looking website, or you can, oh, I'm tired. I've been up since early. Um, or you can make one for people who don't have them at all. This is why I chose Panama for the niche, not just because I live here, but also because a lot of the companies here don't have websites. As you can see, La Casa del Queso here. Nice little logo. They got the address, the number. You can email them, you can WhatsApp them, right? But you won't see, bam, went to their WhatsApp. Okay. Not what I was trying to do. But if you notice, there's no way that piece looks fire right now. I'm going to reveal. They got their little pictures and all that stuff. Okay, cool. But ain't no way they ain't got a website. All right. So all these pictures and all that stuff with your screen capturing ability, either on the computer. I don't know if you can do it on the computer. I'm going to say probably not for Instagram and stuff. It won't let you screenshot the phone. That's for sure. Maybe the workaround with that is, doing it on the computer. I don't know. My computer is a little slow sometimes when you're using recording software, so I like to do it with the phone. It's just faster that way. All right, but you see all these pictures. Okay, cool. So they obviously serve pizza. It's a pizzeria. That's what it looks like. All right, so we got Casa del Queso, Panama. See profile picture. First thing I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take a screenshot of their logo. Okay, take a screenshot of the logo. and then you go ahead and dress that bad boy up. I'm gonna show you the whole process. I'm gonna try and cut away as less, least amount of times as possible so you can see the whole thing. This might be a little bit longer of a video, you know. Hey, it is what it is. Save. Okay, bam, got it saved. All right, now that I got the logo, I know what company I'm gonna do. Okay. And it's still Facebook. And outside of that, I'm gonna follow them so I don't lose it because that can't happen. That's happened before. I was like, oh shit, where'd they go? They only got 29 followers. They got 523 posts. That's a hella posts. Like I said, they'll use this. They'll use Instagram probably. I'm sure they got Instagram. It'd be crazy if they didn't. As a matter of fact, let's see. Oh, they might not even have an Instagram. That would be wild. That would be absolutely wild. Okay. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to ChatGPT. All right. So I forgot the name of the place already. I'm gonna put the logo in there. Okay. La Casa del Queso. I want to make a website for a Panamanian pizzeria. Is that how you spell pizzeria? That's a pizarra, ain't it? How you spell pizzeria? That's it, right? Pizzeria. Name La Casa. What the hell? Del Queso. Okay. Just want to be, All right. I want to use this logo since it's theirs, but I first need the logo to be made, or wait, first I need a transparent version of the logo made. Post it here when finished. Okay? Well, the reason I'm getting a transparent version of the logo made is because the background of the logo will still be there when you have it posted. Whenever you have it put anywhere on the website, the background will still be there. You don't want that. You want the logo to be basically or the background to be non-existent. So you just tell ChatGPT, unless you have some sort of skills and, whatever. Yeah. Stop yawning. Just have ChatGPT to basically make it for you. Taking all day. And voila. Okay, so now we got that done. Save. Okay. Now we make the prompt. Actually, let me see. Can I use Facebook? Okay. We're going to say, do you know the restaurant name Casa de Queso? First, I like to ask it a question like, do you know of the restaurant? That way it can pull up information via that. So kind of see now. See. Wow. ChatGPT is fucking amazing, man. Sure, there's other tools you can use, but I mean, whatever, dude. Okay. It will be a copy if you want. I can also help generate. See? Yes, please. Generate the. What the hell? You see, this thing never wants to, fucking complete the text when you want it to be correct. Only when you don't want it to. Yes, please. Generate a master prompt for this. I want the website to look modern and welcoming. I want it to match the same vibe as the pizzeria itself. I want the social media tabs for WhatsApp and Facebook. Wait, social media icons. You don't want to say tabs because then it'll make like a page basically. I want the social media icons for WhatsApp and Facebook to be present at the top of the page at all times. I also want the logo, want the color scheme of the website. Why? To match the logo. Now, the other stuff I'll actually fix up and all that stuff in a minute. Like as far as um the about you page and blah blah blah. Certain things that I'm gonna ask it to do, but not really worried about that at the moment. We're gonna let it create the prompt and we'll be back when it's done. Okay. Now, as you can see, I got the whole prompt here. I went to a couple different iterations of the prompt, and this one has SEO in it. It's got everything you should need. Okay, let's get it on over there to Lovable. Okay, now that we're in Lovable, I'm gonna put the prompt in the generator thing here. Boop boop. And I'm going to put file. Okay. Bop bop. Use the image provided for as the logo on the website and place it everywhere it should be seen. Make sure it's to proper scale. Wow. All right. And just like that, We're getting it done. All right. We'll be back when it's done. I won't have you sit here and wait. All right. It's done. Moment of truth. We'll see. It's got a little bit of the same design color-wise as my first site. It's not always supposed to look like that, y'all. I can change it, but I will change it depending. But as you can see, it's got the logo up top. Very well done. It is in Espanol. Now, I don't have any pictures, so they just had to put whatever on there first. Looks very, very nice, very nice. Okay, let's put it in English, shall we, so we can read it. I mean, you know, of course you Spanish speakers out there had no problem with that first. Da-da-da. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully that wind and crap is not all going crazy right now. Y'all can hear that. Alright, so it's got the location. Damn. Dope. So we got the location on here. So the two, what's my call? It's on the phone number. Oh yeah, WhatsApp is dirt. Just like that. It's done, except for like putting their pictures and stuff up. Now, these people haven't said they wanted a website, right? So I'm not gonna do nothing super duper duper crazy and like go extra ham on it. It's better than what they would have had, right? I'll do some tweaking. What I do is I like to contact them and I'll say, hey, I made your website. This is it. Check it out. If you want me to do any tweaking to it, anything like that, let me know, right? And then if they be like, oh man, okay, cool, I love it. And if they want to know any kind of upkeep, then I upsell the upkeep. Okay. And then any other like SEO or services that I might have, but I give them the website for free. As you can see, actually, I'm not even going to take any pictures. I'm going to say, hey, I could take pictures from your, what's it called? From your Instagram or your Facebook and put them on here, but I want them to be high resolution, right? I want them to be the best pictures possible. Let me know if you like the design of the site. And if you like that, you can send me the pictures you want on the site and I can plug everything in. This is just, basically a demo for you. Give me one sec. All right. What I did was I got the numbers, or the number, okay, for the icon. I got the email, and then I also got the Facebook, and I'm having to put it in there for the icons. All right, let's see. All right, getting crazy. I tied it up a little bit up here so it stay out of my face. But I can let it down some because it's hot out here. All right, I ain't gonna make y'all wait and watch this. Okie dokie dokie. Let's see if it all worked out. Uh-oh. So it has some issues, so we're fixing that. Out you think of me. Alright. This video may be a little longer than my first one. Alright. So we got the, and then contact us. Okay. Order via WhatsApp. Boom, bam. Alright. Then take us to the Facebook. Boom, bam. Okay, but what, what if you just want to send an email to them? Boom, bam. That's how you do it. You see? That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Alright. And then, it was a video. This is one trademark of my own. I like doing gallery style, home pages. This is the last thing I'm gonna do for this company or for this website here because It's free, and I'm definitely giving them something nice here. Oh wait, okay, here you go. Bitch. Huh? Fuck. Okay, let me turn it off just in case we get copywritten. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, she talking. Anybody got time for that either? Nice pizza, lady. Okay. Okay, this might be one. Cheese bar. Okay. I want you to love me. Okay, so I might use that one. That one's cool. It's a little friendly with the kiddies there and everything. You want to use something that kind of displays what they have and what they do, who they are. I think the first one was better. Let's see. We'll see if we can find another one. The first one though was better. Nah, too much kiddies. Not enough pizza. This is kind of dope. Simple. Okay, so we're gonna go with the first one. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna click it. Boop. Oh my god. We're not doing that. And then we're gonna do, let me see here. Save reel. Excuse me. I might have to screen capture this to save it. If that's the case, so don't ask that. Heck no. I'll be back in a sec eon. All right. So what I did was I found another video off camera that I want to use that was a little bit better. I edited it as far as like shortening it up, and this is the prompt. I said, make this. I don't know why it's fucking always the wrong letters. Make this video a gallery style homepage and mute the audio. Play the video a bit slower than the original footage and make it loop as well. And that's the footage. Now we hit send. And we'll pop back in when it's done. All right. Now it's done. Let's see what it looks like. Hopefully. Or is it? It's always good to see the good and the bad as of right now. Let me see. Also, a rookie mistake I didn't continue to do, or I've continued to do, rather, should I say, is every time you give it a command and you make something happen and you like to change, always go to the little thing right here, and you want to hit publish project. That way, you don't have to worry about anything like screwing up or whatever screwed up. You could always like go back to it. Get the hell out of here! I'm always yawning. Like, get the fuck on. I'm not going to sleep yet, so can it? But it's not working ever since I tried putting the video on. So I said, hey, the website isn't working. Fix it. The video doesn't work, so it's just kind of being stupid at the moment. So once I fix it, I'll be back. Okay, so I was actually able to fix the issues, and then I noticed there was a couple other issues with it too, like so the logo was a lot smaller. I ended up making that a larger logo, and okay, let's see what else. Oh, you know what? Boop. So the address was wrong as well. I fixed that. Okay. Now, I could leave it at that and send it to him and say, hey, ta-da, you know what I'm saying? You got a website for the free ball. But I think because it's not fully personal, right? It's just a couple of things. It's not all the way personal, and I don't like half-ass doing stuff. Right now, you do have the little background, so they do see that, and when they log onto it, they won't think it's a template. Like, okay, no, this is just a cookie cutter website. They can see that this is theirs, that's their video. But I think just to make it just a slight bit more personal, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some images from their actual Facebook, and then I'm gonna place them in some of the placeholders, like some like for like the gallery, and then a few of the pictures for like the menu stuff as well. So let me take some of those pictures right now, and then I'll be back. All right. So I forgot to put the pictures. I forgot to put the first set of pictures that I got on camera. But what I did do, or what I'll show you is I put the pictures for the menus. If I can go over here and show you. All right. Menu. Okay. Oh, wait. No, that's the old version. Let me refresh it. All right. So, as you can see, there's still a couple of items in here that's, using AI images, which is fine for the time being. Like I said, this is a free website. That'll be all right. If they want to change any of that stuff, they can send me the images properly. But because I don't half-ass anything, here's the actual menu. As you can see, I put some of their personal pictures in here. Thankfully, they had some high quality pictures, so it wasn't hard to do to make it still look good. And you see, I put a little order button on each one of them there. So if you like that particular dish or setup, you can click it. I already had the prices on there, so that's perfect. And another one of the menus here. The last little bit I'm going to add is some pictures to the gallery. I'll be back. All right. So I made some changes that I need to, and I added all of the pictures to the gallery. Let's go check it out. Let me see. I actually added this image here to the menu as well. One of the good ones they had. And then menu. Oops, wait, not menu. Gallery. And there we go. These pictures look awesome. Nice little display that they got there. It helps that they had good quality. Also, this is something that I didn't know it did. It has the Instagram. I couldn't find the Instagram earlier, if y'all remember. There was no Instagram on the Facebook, right? I didn't go looking for it. But check this out. Oop. Voila. Man, I'm telling you, man, this stuff is crazy. They got the old logo and all that. But this is their Instagram. Apparently they don't use it. It looks like it's kind of abandoned. They only have 13 posts, but whatever. All right. Well, okay. So the whole site is pretty much done. I'm not going to do anything else to it because they haven't paid for it. All right. It's free. I'm just going to hand it to them like this. And if they accept it and they want more things done, then I can do that upon request. And then anything else I can upsell from that point on, right? Even the About You page. I'm not even going to adjust it. I was going to add some stuff. That's just doing too much. But anyway, hopefully you learned something from this tutorial, on how to build a website. I'm going to be doing plenty more of these on this channel. If you learned anything, go ahead and make sure you like, subscribe. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comments. Other than that, I'll catch y'all later.